Healthy habits are a great way to improve one's life. If you don't avoid these, you could be destroying everything that you're building. Hi, my name is Solane. We talk all things self-improvement. Today, I'm going to reveal habits that are considered to be healthy, but are actually setting you up for failure. And I will even give you a freebie that will make building habits 10 times easier. There is always someone telling you to think on the bright side or think positively, and I definitely agree with that statement, just because the way that you think does affect your reality. But that doesn't give you an excuse to neglect your negative emotions, especially when you're not feeling your best. I have done this many times, and toxic optimism has always ended up making things worse for me than better. So if you aren't happy, don't try to pretend that you are, and reflect on it. And one of the best ways that I reflect on my emotions is through journaling. I am a productivity creep. I have an obsession with it. Unfortunately, being productive for the sake of productivity is just busy work. So do what is necessary for your goals, but all the miscellaneous work that you don't necessarily have to do, I would probably put them off or delegate them to someone else, especially if you are already overworked. Unhealthy behavior such as this is what leads to burnout. So be kind to yourself. At the end of the day, the trick to a more fulfilling life is to have more days where if you were to die right in that moment, you would have no regrets about it. Even though these healthy habits may not be the best for you, I believe that building sustainable and healthy habits are still the best thing that you could do in any area of your life. So if you're building on actual healthy habits, watch this video next. And if you're struggling to build healthy habits in general, I will link my free habit tracker that will make building habits 10 times easier. And remember, you only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough.